ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ 5th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Harivarsham, Prahlada will be praying Narasimha Swami and will be meditating upon Narasimha Swami while doing this following mantra japam. Om Namo Bhagavate Narasimhaya Namastejastejase Aviravirbhava Vajranakha Vajradamshtra Karmasayan Randhaya Randhaya Tamograsagrasa Om Swaha Abhayam Abhayam Atmani Bhuyishtaha Om Kshraum. For Narasimha Swami, I realize that you are the root cause of all the effulgences. You are an effulgence to all kind of effulgences. For Narasimha, I do surrender to you. For Narasimha, I do namaskaram to you. You have such a beautiful form with Vajranakham, Vajradamstram. O Deva, please be present in us. Please be present within us. With all of your compassion, please burn out all the impressions of my previous karmas. Please burn out all the impressions of my previous karmas. And please bless, please provide your shield of protection to us. O Narasimha, may this entire world be peaceful and entire world is filled up with auspiciousness. May all the bad people give up their anger and with pure mind they will lead their lives. May all the people each other dhyayantu bhutani sivam midhodhiya. All the people with good intentions giving up all bad ill intentions and mingle each other and wish the best for each other. Manascha bhadram bhajatat adhokshaje. O Narasimha, may all living beings, their minds are settled down only in you and they all have good devotion and love towards you. O Narasimha, these houses and children and wealth and relatives, all these mundane things, may our minds do not crave too much for them and do not contain too much of attachment towards that. Like that, Prahlada will be praying Sri Narasimha Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.